not a very special topic, but considering about political science, it's very special topic. So what is this special topic? It's about Karl Marx Das Kapital, or which is called as Capital. Capital, he wanted to explain about capitalist production at that time. And considering about Karl Marx's political view, he has his own political view. And he followed philosophers like David Ricardo, and he wrote this book during in 1867 and 1883 time. So under this book he wanted to explain about capitalist production or capital, and what kind of situation have is capitalist society. So this capital book has 3 volumes. I chose first volume and chapter 1. This chapter 1 is about the capitalist production. Under this capitalist production, he wanted to explain 3 sectors or 3 objectives. First one is commodity, second one is labor time, third one is money. He explained about what is commodity and what is money and what is labor time. In very firstly, he critically evaluated about commodity. He explained commodity as an external factor which can fulfill human objectives or which can fulfill human needs. And he categorized in this commodity as use value, exchange value and value. So what is use value? Use value means a commodity or a thing can fulfill human need. In exchange value, he given very clear example in his chapter. Exchange value is a certain thing which can exchange with certain another thing. He given example as corn and iron in his book. If you read that book, you can understand. He explained how he explained about this exchange value. He said certain amount of corn we can exchange with certain amount of iron. That is how commodity, the concept of commodity began in the human society. So in next here we see how he explained in his book. So in Marx's Capital book, he explained his ideas regarding with his own view. So how he explained about capitalist production. So I give some quotation. Marx outlined to the differences as use values, commodities differ above all in quality, while as exchange value they can only differ in quantity. So on the other hand, he explained or he given a quotation regarding with labor time. So what he said about labor time? He explained about with all differences, the use value and exchange value are totally connected to the average time taken by producing a commodity is called as socially necessary labor time. According to Marx, labor is a substance of value. So in next session, we will talk about what is labor time and what is money and how he explained about labor time and money in his book. So in previously I said about what is exchange value. In exchange value, Marx said certain amount of corn we can exchange with certain amount of iron. See, as a summary we can say both commodities have same value. So but when the time is gone, he understood about yes, there is a difference between commodity. So he explained this difference using example. He said 20 times linen equal to coat. If a person want to buy a coat, he can exchange with those he can exchange by linen. I give you linen and I can buy a coat. But Marx said the coat has more labor time. The linen has small labor time. That means linen is a material, but the coat is the production. The production have more labor time than the linen. So that is how he explained these differences. And evaluation we can see in very firstly he said yes, commodity we can share with share or we can exchange commodities and we can take those things as value. Then he explained about but there is a different considering about labor time. In next he explained the concept of money. Actually this book is about the revolution in the society. That means in very firstly human used exchange value, that means commodity, exchanging commodity because there wasn't money, but then they understand but there is a difference. In next the concept money came to the society, but the thing is the labor time forget the people, because the money is not actually commodity. Marx explained money is not a commodity sharing with each other, but there is exchange, but that have the money have certain value. So he said when the concept of money came to the society, the labor time forget to the thing. But in the end of the book, he explained about how he criticized this capitalist society, or how what kind of idea he has with this capitalist society. So let us see what he said about capitalist society. So I said about the how money concept came to the society, and Marx explained when the concept of money came to society, the labor time categorized in two parts. First one is concrete labor, second one is abstract labor. So in his book he explains about this labor time and how it's relate with the money. Marx explained the character of commodity. It is more complex than use value. He said commodities are physical output of human labor average. He mentioned three methods that labor make value. So what are the three methods he made? First one is all different kind of human labor are equal and giving common value to the commodities. It is first one. Second one is the magnitude of the value of the commodity. Value can be measured by the duration of making time and labor. So what is the third one? Third one, the social aspect of the labor. As an example, he explained determines the social context of the commodity. So those are the three things he explains in his book. In firstly, he explained about what is commodity. Secondly, he explained about labor time. Thirdly, he explained about money. In end, he explained about all the things as a summary. But in conclusion, Marx said in his chapter, the money is a mistake. When the concept money came to society, people forgot about the labor time. By forgetting labor time, they miss the value of the labor time. That is how capitalist society society works. So how this concept relating with to the current society? So today we are studying about economics. In this economics, this is the thing that we are explaining in broad way: the commodity, money, and production. So in current economical society, economics deal with those commodity, money, and the production. So considering about Karl Marx, this chapter, we can see this is very good and very valuable book because it explain very proper manner regarding with several kind of objectives relating with economy. So because when we are talking about commodity and money and all the things, we know how it comes to the society, but we don't know what kind of theoretical part relating with those things. But Marx very clearly explained about those things in his first chapter, the capitalist production. So I think you can take a brief idea about the first chapter in volume 1, the capitalist production. Thank you.